Hi, I've been working with Tina now for 11 weeks. And before working with her, my biggest struggle physically was a lack of strength. I was noticing as I got older that I was losing a lot of muscle and strength and not able to do activities that I wanted to do with my kids, like surfing or bike riding or hiking, without really feeling exhausted from it. And I had a gym membership and I had some free weights at home, but I really didn't know what to do. I would kind of aimlessly go to the gym and not know what to work on or how to work the muscle groups. And I was doing a lot of walking and just not really getting any stronger. So with Tina's help and her program, I was able to get a workout that was easy to do, easy to follow. I loved the videos that would help me get into the right position. And of course, the bi-weekly meetings were super helpful and supportive. And I highly recommend Tina to anyone who's looking to fine-tune their workout, or even if you're just like me and kind of starting from scratch.